Okay.
Makes me wanna
Uh,
quack.
I
Multiplayer.
invite you. I invite you.
Continue.
I I know the way. Okay.
Oh my god. Haven't heard that in a hot minute.
Yeah, bro. There's so much shit that just died out, but we were like watching and talking about every day.
Bro, it's
It's
memes. It's the
crazy.
trends.
Yeah, but like, isn't crazy how fast and rapidly it changes?
Yeah, it does. I
Like
guess
you talk constantly about one thing for like 3 months, almost every day, and then one day you just stop and
that
then
is
talk
true.
about it again.
That is very true.
Oh shit! I spilled some water just.
Drink it, drink it. It's really hard to hear you.
You saw the Riley sticker?
Yeah, bro, that shit is hilarious.
I know, right?
Oh my god.
Okay, are you here?
It's loading.
Ah, okay, I'm here. Oh, I also crafted a fish trap out of sticks.
Fish trap out of sticks? What the fuck?
I don't know if you need bait for it, but I just crafted it.
Wait,
It's like on the river.
for the
For fish,
crabs?
yeah.
Oh, for
No,
fish.
to like catch fish. Oh
That's
shit!
sick.
I caught a fish. Damn,
Oh, I'm
nice.
back. Oh shit.
It works without bait. Hello.
Wait, what the heck? Wait, look at me.
Oh,
Oh, we're different people now. We're white.
oh, bro, you're black. You're like Indus type of
Oh,
guy.
you're like an old white man.
Oh shit, dog. Okay.
Alright, what you been up to here, sir? Ah!
Bro, chill
Oh
out.
shit!
Look, look. Uh, I mean, that's all I did really.
That's
Got
it?
this.
What is this? Oh, you caught fish!
You,
It's there.
yeah.
You caught
Oh,
it.
really?
Yeah, it's right. Look, you can take
Oh
it.
shit, you're right. Oh fuck. What's the button?
E?
No, no. It's just like you get it later. I got it
Ah.
just now, so yeah.
I need to drink water, I think.
Yeah, I think we should go in like fucking adventure because we need to like.
Yeah, let's do
Now.
that. Oh shit, what the heck? Oh, okay.
But let's get
Wrong
like
map.
try some food and some
Oh, you're right.
arm
We need food.
weapon. Okay, I threw 3 raw fish here. You can eat one or two. If you want, of
Sorry?
course.
Oh, fish?
Yeah.
That's okay. I got a bunch of berries and other stuff. How do I drink?
Oh, nice.
Now I'm trying to drink. There you go. Okay, that's fine. If I die, we die.
Okay, where are we going though? I gotta pick place.
Let's go. You wanna explore one of the purple ones? I think that's where we have to go. Or like, there's something happening there.
One of which ones?
Let's do one on the right,
Sure.
by north.
Okay.
Let's go to the north.
To the north. Wait, I don't have a spear. Fuck it.
I mean, you can craft it, no?
Oh, I do have it. It's just in my backpack. Okay.
Yeah, Negnog.
What?
You're a Negnog.
Is that how you say backpack in Chicago? Alright, I'm not getting something.
Wait, how do I pick up my spear? I already forgot how to play.
I.
Oh, I inventory. There you go. Thank you.
Yeah,
There you go. Okay, we're good now.
got you. Let's go.
Mm.
Damn, imagine being like this in real life.
Bro, I'll look you want to. I
I
mean,
mean,
not
with the
the.
monsters. Oh fuck!
Maybe.
Did you do that? It
Run.
turned so well.
The monsters?
Okay, do you want to go on the road or you want to just like fuck it?
Fuck it, bro. We're balling.
Okay.
Wait, mushrooms? No.
Fuck, I'm thirsty.
We're gonna be by the river, so
Okay.
pick up berries. Here, take some berries. Here.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Yeah, we're gonna be by the
3
water.
Blueberry seed collected, but no blueberry.
Oh, did you eat it?
Okay.
There's more blueberries here. Take some as well.
Thank you. Just a second.
Wait, did I take them all? Oh no, there's one more. Okay, fuck it, I'm taking it.
What the
You're-
fuck are those noises?
Wait, my volume is way too low. I'm just gonna have to put you down.
Your what is way too low?
My volume.
Stamina? Ah, well.
Yeah, can I hear anything? Or it's like it's. Oh, I do hear it now.
Yeah.
Where? Fuck it. There's water.
Can we cross here? though?
Yeah. Of course, sir. Why wouldn't we? Yeah.
Oh, okay. I
Yeah.
thought you were gonna get like
I
carried
thought you,
away.
I thought you're thirsty, no?
Oh shit, yeah, you're right. I got some from blueberries.
Oh, really? Okay.
I can't
Oh,
drink
that looks so cool. I look, you want to just jump. Nah, no, man. We got a mission to go to. We're almost there.
We're on a trip.
And a favorite rocket ship.
Something
What the
is
heck?
moving.
Yeah, is that our GPSs?
Yeah, I think so.
Well, that's annoying.
I think it's supposed to help us find something.
Our death?
What are these berries?
I don't know, I'm picking everything up.
Ah, salmon berries.
What the fuck? It sounds like we're about to explode.
Yeah, where is this shit? It's supposed to be like here. Oh, maybe it's under.
Yeah, I don't know how
On
to...
top.
Yeah,
How do we get
What?
down?
I'm trying to...
Bro, look at this!
What?
There's like ropes and shit here. And
Whoa! Oh, that's what we had to find. Oh, nice.
I think there's still something under.
Take the... Fuck, I took the...
Oh,
engine.
if you put the map away, it's just gonna like go away.
Okay, I pick up the stuff. I guess. I don't know.
What stuff?
All the stuff that were on the floor here. Wait, so can we go down? I cannot... Can we? Wait, how?
Oh, I already picked it up and you still had it. Damn.
Oh, I guess, yeah, that's
Oh,
for like...
shit. Yeah.
Whoa! Oh, that's what happened. It was like a lost dude.
Wait, can I like cut it out? I wonder.
Maybe we need to put him down somehow? Wait, I'm gonna go around.
Oh shit! I caught it.
Oh, you did?
Yeah, he fell down.
Wait, did it...
Where did he fall down?
Wait, how do you cut it?
It's right there on the ground.
How do you cut it?
Hit it with an axe.
Oh, nice. I think we can go around here.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, shit. What the heck? Oh, there you go. Now we're good.
Damn, that's so cool. That you can actually cut it down.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
What were those noises? Whoa.
Whoa, he has a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, I got a flashlight. Whoa, we got a flashlight.
Oh hell yeah.
Awesome.
Bro, I got like some little
How do I
thing
turn-
that you can click.
Did I put the flashlight down? I don't want a flashlight. Uh-oh. Okay, good.
Oh.
Can build something. Craft leafed armor. Stone arrow. Okay.
Bro, it's so cool we got a flag, but I think it's gonna like.
Yeah, it dies, so I put it away.
Yeah.
Wait, let's see now. Okay, yeah, so it doesn't beep anymore for us.
Yeah.
Alright, should we just get all the marks now? Should we just keep going?
Yeah. Yeah, let's do it. I think yeah, this is mostly about exploring. Then you only come back.
Yeah, I'm down. We're going the right. Yeah, let's. Well, let's look closer. Yeah, I think. Actually, they're kind of in the same place.
Yeah, I wish we could like zoom out.
Yeah, these GPSs are the best. Imagine
I
working
know, right?
while
Yeah.
you're in the middle of the woods.
But I feel like, I mean, GPS works anyway, right?
I guess. Yeah, because celery. What's it called? Celery? Celery?
Cellular.
It's like in the space. Oh wait.
Yeah.
Okay,
But
no.
I think there's still limitations. Like it has to connect. Oh fuck! What?
Wait, what the heck? Oh, okay, we're going. Yeah, this looks beautiful. Whoa, I see the creatures on the other side of the river.
Oh, that's bad.
We still have heads, right?
Oh yeah, that's true. Bro, I'm like.
I'm out of stamina.
Yeah, same.
Let's take a chill pill.
Oh shit!
Oh, I see them.
He's running on the right.
Yeah, I see them. Wait, do I have head? Yeah, I have head. Alright, I'm gonna show it to them. Yo, when someone needs head, you just gotta. Who needs head? Anybody, for free. Only 19.99 shipping.
Oh fuck!
Oh hell nah.
You hear that?
Screaming with lady.
Yeah.
Yep. I don't like that. I don't think we don't really have good.
Oh,
Whoa,
good what? Oh fuck! It's their camp.
is anyone there?
You wanna kill them?
Wait.
Oh fuck! I think there's.
There's what?
Are those? Oh shit!
Oh shit, they're coming. Oh shit.
Bro, I was kidding. I was kidding. I was kidding. Oh fuck!
I'm just. Yo, you got him. Get him.
Get him.
I'm distracting.
Nice,
You
nice,
had to-
nice, nice. Yep. I got it. Nice.
Nice.
Ah. Okay,
There was an.
there's one behind you.
Oh, there's.
And there's
Yo,
one on the ground.
well, there's so many of here. Yeah, let's get this motherfucker first.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, so he's running away.
Oh fuck.
Let's get. There's three of them.
Okay,
Wait. What's your stamina?
he's coming.
Run. You run. I'll attack him.
Okay. Yeah, we gotta separate them. Nice, nice, nice. Get fucked.
There's deer.
Where's the running bitch? I think he's somewhere behind us.
I think
four legs.
they're eating. Nice.
Brutal.
Whoa, there's. Oh shit!
There's a big guy.
Yeah, I know.
There's a big guy.
Watch out! Oh shit!
Oh fuck! I died.
No!
He one-shotted us.
I didn't die yet. Oh shit. Maybe you're gonna spawn right here.
I hope so.
Ew,
Oh,
what
shit,
is
I
that?
did spawn right here.
Who's keep dying? Die,
I'm
bitch.
like behind you.
Oh, okay, good. Oh shit.
Nice. Okay, get up.
Oh shit!
Okay, I need my backpack to get my spear. Just a second. Come on, get it.
Oh shit! Ow! Hit me in the head.
Did you die?
Nah, I'm still chilling.
Okay, I'm coming. Oh, coming.
Yeah, I'm gonna distract him. You can attack him.
Yeah. Oh fuck. Oh, watch out, watch out.
Oh shit! He killed me!
Nice! Oh, he killed you, but he died.
Okay, good.
Oh, fuck.
It's okay, I'll spawn right here.
Bro, this is a big guy. Oh shit. There's somebody still here. Damn. Hello. Back.
Am I still black? I guess I
Oh,
am.
they have like fucking cereal.
Cereal?
Munchies collected. Ooh, and they have fucking skulls, so we can build effigies now. It's great. Oh shit.
Okay, nice.
And car battery, what the fuck?
Okay, I have everything back. Thank God.
Oh,
Oh yeah, they have cereal.
yeah. Oh, they have some meat here. Oh,
Oh, they have skulls. I'll take skull. Fuck it.
yeah, we can build effigies now then. Okay, this was great.
Don't forget to break boxes. They usually have stuff.
Oh shit, you're right. So right.
Hmm. Okay, I think that's it. There's nothing else. Wait, what the hell? They have golf cart. Golf
No,
cart.
they have a battery.
Oh shit, there's a person on the stake. Okay.
Oh,
Okay,
nice decoration.
should we keep going?
Yeah, or we can build a tent and sleep.
Yeah, I think we should build it at 10. Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah, let's...
Should we do it here? Or should we run
Yes.
somewhere else?
I
Fuck.
mean, let's just sleep here.
Okay, okay. I forgot how to do this.
I think you need stick.
Don't we have to put like a tent first? I don't have it. I don't think I have it. Golf cart battery. I have gold card battery. How is this now responding? Tarp.
Oh, tarp.
Yeah, I have tarp. Should I put it or you got it?
Yeah, yeah, you put it. I'll put the sticks.
Here you go.
Nice. Okay.
Where's my torch? It's kind of dark. Nice. Yeah, we sleep now.
Nice. Let's go. Great, great. Hungry as fuck now, though.
Oh, I'm thirsty.
I still have some cooked fish. Oh yeah, I'm thirsty as well.
Yeah, I'm just gonna eat this. I have a lot of berries. I'm just gonna eat that.
Yeah, same. Thank God salmon berries are not poisonous. Okay. Let's keep going.
Yeah, sorry, I'm still eating. It's still taking
Oh,
forever.
it's okay.
I have like 20 berries. Oh, okay, never mind. Let's get out of here. Wait, I
Look at that.
need to pick up a weapon.
It's okay. The video games can hurt
Yeah.
us.
Okay, we're dead. Legendary. I actually should have rewatched his montage.
Yeah, I did rewatch. Yeah, I did.
Wait, oh, there you go. Yeah, it's such a weird era back then.
I know.
The the simple arc of our chapters.
Yeah.
Wait, there's more. Holy shit, there's another one somewhere. I think.
Another what?
The purple places. I thought I saw another one, but maybe I'm tripping.
Question marks? Oh,
Yeah, there was berries. Oh, berries. Easy.
oh shit, I hear something. I hear something really weird.
Oh shit. Okay, there's more of them.
Oh, fuck.
Should we just
You
like?
wanna just run-
Yeah, let's just steal their shit. Wait, there's another one. Oh wait, there's just another. Alright, let's just steal shit. It looks like they're.
trying.
Oh shit.
This is such a...
Oh shit, I'm scared.
Oh fuck. I'm stealing the shit.
Yeah, I'm just. Oh fuck!
Grabbing everything.
Low health. Oh shit, almost dead.
Oh, I died. I fucking died.
Oh shit!
I ran.
Maybe I should die because I'm like at 1 health. Like, there's no point. I think I should just die. Honestly. Yeah, I'm just gonna
I
die.
also think you should just die.
Thanks, everyone. Yeah, I died.
You're welcome.
Alright. I'll just respawn.
Bro, don't spawn kill me, bro.
Spawn kill.
Spawn kill me. Bro, I'm picking up my backpack. I'm Boonlord. Come on.
Don't hurt me, come on.
It's not fair. Play fair, stupid zombie people. I can't pick up many more skulls. Damn.
Oh shit.
Well, alright, let's run. Let's fucking run. I think we got enough.
No, I put the top down. I'm trying to pick up my shit. Oh shit!
Yeah,
No, I died!
pick it up and run away.
Nah, it's okay, it's okay. I'll do it again. I'll just slow.
Yeah, just pick it up and run away. Fuck, this guy is still after me.
Keep respawning, come on.
Fuck off. Fuck
Yeah.
off. Bro, why is this bitch still running after me? I don't understand. Fuck. Okay.
Okay,
I lost.
come on. Ow.
Do you
Wow. Shit. No, I'm running. I'm fuck it. I guess it was not worth it. Yeah, the respawn killing me. Couldn't do anything.
Fuck off, man.
Yeah, maybe it was not the best idea. Oh my god, he's glitching running. Wait, I can kill him. Oh shit. He stopped chasing you. Let's get out of here.
Okay, let's run. Let's run.
There's deer. Should we hunt the deer? Let's throw the
Spear?
It might get stuck, dog. Oh no, I died! He chased me.
Bro. I hit a deer. It ran away with my spear.
Yeah, that's what I was scared of.
Fuck. Okay, we'll craft a new one. Are you alive? Oh fuck, this bitch is still after me.
I'm still respawning to the same place, bro.
Fuck.
Alright, I'll be back. Just need to pick up this. Oh, my spear.
I gotta craft a new one, man. Damn it.
Oh shit! Oh, what the hell?
What happened?
Fuck! Oh my god, that's so creepy. There's like one of them, like small guys, just like made a flip and started chasing me. Run!
Bro, the big guy was. I was running away from him, so.
Oh shit! Let's go
Where you
here.
go from? Okay, let's run.
Yeah, fuck it.
I'm out of stamina. God damn it. Okay, chill for a second. Then keep running.
We might have to kill that bitch. If it's
Yeah.
gonna. I'm in an open field. If you wanna come to me.
Yeah, let's do it.
Oh shit! You scared me. Fuck. I'm tired.
Got it. Oh. Okay.
Oh no, he's still chasing us, bro.
I'll pick up the axe.
Yeah, run, 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 run.
Pick up the axe.
What
I
X?
don't have the. Cause I don't.
Oh shit!
What
There's
the fuck?
there's more.
They're in the bushes. Johnny, they're in the trees. God damn it. Bro, how long are they gonna be chasing us? Like, anything else to do, guys? Like, chill out.
I guess they're very hungry, man. I don't know. Yeah, just let's build a tree house and get on top.
No fucking bro.
Oh, berries? I'll take berries. Alright. Host is not responding. Uh-oh.
Fuck this.
Whoa! Oh, there's more. There's a big village.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Wait, where are you?
I'm on the right.
Oh, okay, okay. Oh, look, we're almost at the end of the island.
Yeah.
Oh, I guess there is ending.
Bro, my map is lagging. I can't open it, so I have to follow you.
Oh, so I can just bring you to, like, build a circle?
No, please. Oh, never mind. I fixed it. Okay, thank God.
Too much power in my hands. Oh my god, you start drinking? I thought I was in my video game. I'm like, I'm not drinking.
I broke my keybind. I can now only open it through my inventory. Fuck.
Oh my god, I keep hearing motherfucking bitches.
Yeah.
Okay, we're getting close.
Yeah.
Do you think that's another man hang themselves?
Maybe.
Or gotten in by something?
Oh, we're finding other devices. Our GPS is probably then.
Yeah. Wait, what the fuck?
Where is it?
I mean, we're getting close. Hey, dear.
Somewhere.
Oh, I almost got him.
No, I
No.
think we missed it.
Yeah, we missed it.
Somewhere like in the forest. But where? Oh, here. I found it. We gotta dig though.
Oh, nice.
Ah, fuck. We don't have a shovel. Shut up, Mark. How do I... Oh, shit.
Oh my god, you scared me.
Sorry. How do I put it away? Please go away.
Wait, let's do leaf armor, if it's possible. I think we need leaf. Alright, I'm gonna craft something.
What
Leaf.
did you say? Sorry, I didn't hear it because of the stupid...
Oh, yeah, it's ringing for me as well. Okay, here's my leaves. I want to build that leaf armor.
Okay.
I don't know how to do that. Where's my leaves? Probably somewhere here. Nope. Oh shit, that's not what I meant to do. Do you know we had tactical jacket?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't understand where my leaves at.
They're on your...
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, got it. Ah, I'm such a silly bully. Okay, I'm building an armor, yes. Where? Okay, can you see my new armor? Oh, wait. Wait, what the fuck?
Yeah, you have like leaves on your hands.
Whoa!
Bro, how do we get a fucking shovel? Do we have to pick it up?
Are you talking? Are you talking in the radio? Because you're like loud.
Oh shit. Yeah, sorry.
Oh! Oh shit! Motherfucker!
Die, you stupid bitch! Nice.
It's still moving!
What the fuck? Okay, I think now he died. Okay. Bro, chill out.
I'm scared, bro.
Behind, another one, another one.
Ah! Oh shit!
I died.
Bro, I did me too. I actually got scared. Bro, I turned around and he jumped on me. Oh my god, that was actually scary.
Oh no, we're in that big village now.
Fuck off! Bro, what? No, I think it's a different village, maybe. Perhaps.
I have no.
Ah, fuck, man.
Fuck, 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 fuck.
Oh, yeah, that's the big village. Right.
Yeah. Oh, they have fucking mattresses and shit.
Run, 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 run. Oh, yeah, I see you. Oh my god, they're all chasing us.
Yep.
Oh shit, I'm stuck. Alright, I'm going. Let's go back to the.
Run to the...
Yeah, I'm going to the purple thing again.
Yeah, to the next one, right? Oh, no, the purple thing, fuck you, we don't have a shovel. We can't do it.
What, can I craft it?
No, we don't know the recipe.
Oh, no way. Are you kidding me?
Yeah, I think so. I didn't find it last time. I was like flipping through the recipe book. I didn't find a shovel.
Damn it.
Unless you find it.
Yeah, I'll try to find it now.
But watch out if they're still chasing.
Yeah, I guess there's nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't see it. Okay, fuck it. Let's go to the other one.
Okay.
Oh my god, there's another one!
Oh fuck.
I'm-
Get fucked! No!
Run! Fuck!
God damn it.
I wish I could take their weapon. Okay, I killed that bitch.
Nice.
I think we need to kill all of them. Oh shit.
Are they gonna keep following us?
Nah, hopefully
What was
not.
that fucking scream? Oh no. Chill out. I just wanna leave, please. Please don't kill me. Naked people. Naked people. Let's negotiate, please.
Oh no, another one's chasing me. Oh no, that's Kevin. Scared me. I didn't realize he's following us.
Bro, I'm bringing more people. You ready?
Motherfucker. No, I'm just kidding. Looks like they're.
The spear?
I think they're.
Oh.
I think they're run away. I mean, they stopped running.
Okay, fucking great. Let's go. Let's get the fuck out of here.
What the fuck?
We'll come back and fuck them. You know you can get a shotgun in this game?
Really?
Yeah.
Like, I guess you find it, right? You cannot craft
Yeah,
it.
probably.
Building shotgun out of the wood.
Maybe you find like pieces of it.
Yeah, instead of bullets, we have shishki. We just shoot them.
Yeah, let's do that.
Oh, finally, open field.
Bro, we gotta go like to the left. Because you see there's like small. Or otherwise we have to.
Wait, what the fuck? Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. I wonder if there's like boats here.
Probably. Not.
Probably not, yeah.
Yeah, there's a bunny in front of us. Kill it.
Try
I missed it. I don't know where it happened. Oh, there it is. Okay, never mind. I'm tired.
You,
Oh, you got him?
you can. Yep.
Nice. Wait, did you save it for me?
Yep. I think we both can do it.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Good shit. Good job, man.
Thank you. We'll just craft thingy later, the campfire. Are you hungry?
I'm just picking up berries.
Okay.
Um,
No, but like, is your health good and your...
Yeah, it's decent. Are you eating right now?
No,
Okay.
I was just picking up berries as well.
What the
It's a nice area.
Bro, it's in the ocean.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, that's what we're saying.
Cause like, this is, you know, we're like on an island.
Ah, damn. Well, I guess we can have a beach house.
Yeah, that would be cool. But man, we're really far from our base.
Yeah, I don't know where the fuck we are.
Ah, fuck, there's another one. Can we go around, please?
Oh, fuck. Let's go left. Yeah.
Yeah. Fuck them. Let's wait till we get a shotgun and then we talk. We're gonna have negotiations.
That's hilarious. Whoa, that looks pretty.
Yeah. Oh man, this is cool.
Whoa, that's sick. What?
Oh.
Whoa.
I chopped
Oh, actually, I've seen a lot of gameplay. I think that they build houses on the beach.
it. Yeah, I would do that. Look, it's so nice to build. Like
Yeah, it's perfect.
even.
Yeah, we can build a village.
I agree. It'd take a shit ton of time though.
Whoa.
There's something red in the water. and
Yeah.
there's an exclamation mark.
Oh,
Are you going there?
oh look, starfishes.
Oh,
Can we kill them?
nice.
I know we cannot kill them.
Damn it.
Okay, fuck it.
Who's that?
I don't know, man. So
Did you
crazy.
throw something at me?
Threw a rocket.
Fucking health went down.
Wait, really?
Fucking bitch.
Oh shit!
Come here. Come here, you fucking bitch. Come here. Stop running.
I was. Ah, you got me. You got me. I was watching a lot
It's
of
beautiful.
Dream gameplay. I hope there's no sharks in here.
Last words are true before killing by a shark.
Yeah, that's how it usually goes, man.
Yeah.
I don't want to.
You know, I played Forest like the previous game,
Okay, and what?
and there were sharks there.
That's not what I want to hear. Take it back. Oh my god, it's so dark. That's. Oh my god, I don't want to look.
No, yeah, it's scary.
Oh please. Wait, is someone dying?
Please. No. Wait, where's Kevin?
He's like, I'm not doing this shit.
Kevin is like, or in the village, like tied up.
Like he's in the ocean. He's like, I'm deaf, but I'm not stupid. Yeah, that
This
looks.
is like a.
Whoa, that's sick. Can we go up? Can we get up?
Yes. Yep, I think.
No, I can't get up.
Five.
What? There's a pistol. Oh, here you can get up.
Really?
Yeah. Oh wait, I cannot. Whoa!
Oh, what? I died. Oh,
I died. Oh yeah, I got killed by a shark.
oh fuck, bro, I got up. He ate you instead of me.
Oh god.
Loser.
Yeah, they had. I picked up a gun.
Bro, me too. Shit. Now
Wait.
we can talk.
Is there bullets? Whoa! I appeared in the ocean. Wait, what the fuck?
Oh,
Wait,
what the fuck?
I'm cutting myself out of the ocean. Wow, the shark tied me up, bro.
He's like, fuck this bitch. I'll take one.
Fuck. Where am I? Oh shit, there's a fish. Wait, where am I? Oh, okay, there you go.
Alright, I'm swimming back.
Wait, I need to check.
Bro.
Did I even pick it up? The light? Wait, where's my jacket? Oh, it's in
Ah, I died. I got eaten by a shark.
Okay, I'm swimming back. I don't know. Were there bullets in the pistol?
I don't know, I didn't try it. I think we're supposed to use it against the shark, but if I just kept swimming, I was too scared.
No, I don't think you gotta shoot a fucking shark, bro.
I think you can. Like, this is a crazy game. That's what you did in the first part.
I mean, probably yeah. But I would not waste bullets on the shark.
Yeah, me too. I would like fucking kill that huge bitch in the camp.
Wait, I hear music.
Backpack.
I hear music.
Really?
Yeah. What the fuck? Oh, look, there's something. Oh, something's here too.
What?
Oh, yo, I've got a radio collected.
A radio?
Yeah, bro.
Nice.
Yeah, there's a dead body here.
I see it. Ah, fuck. Oh, I need my backpack. Can't pick up shit without a backpack.
Wait, can I cut him? Nah, I feel bad. Actually, for the science. For science.
Bro, where's the gun at?
Oh no, it doesn't work. For science.
Wait, lose the gun? Oh, never mind.
Bro, there's a grenade!
I'll catch a grenade for
Is it?
you. Yo! Bro, we're gonna have fun with this.
Bro, we're just gonna throw that in the village and that's it.
He had ammo for the
Oh, he did? Oh, that's how he did. Wait, do I have a pistol? Oh, I do have...
box. What?
Okay, I got a pistol. I don't know. How do you check if you have ammo?
I have no idea. Oh shit. I see you. I can't feel it.
Freeze!
Oh,
What? Bro, we got overpowered out of nowhere. Yeah, let's go back to the village. Say good things about. Oh shit!
oh fuck. Bro, did you throw a grenade?
No, I there's like a what's it called? A fucking I think where you cook or you have like flammable and I hit it with the X.
Oh, I see.
I was curious if it explodes or not.
Well, you found out.
Yeah, that was awesome. 10 out of 10 game.
Again. I got a fucking seagull. Oh, they have feathers.
Wait, do you want to actually build a house here though?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I'm done to build one here.
Yeah, let's do it. I mean,
Yeah, why not? I mean, we could have. Whoa, look! I think, bro, I think we're just been in that mountain when we started.
Oh shit, you're right. That's crazy.
Yeah, we can have a lot of houses around the map. Why not?
Yeah.
You know.
That's true, that's true.
Okay, so yeah, we picked it up. We just need to figure out how to build a shovel. What the fuck? How? I gotta look it up.
Okay. I'll keep killing seagulls.
If you want, you can start figuring out what you want to build as well.
Okay, yeah, that's a good idea.
Shovel. Oh, the shovel, you gotta find it in a cave.
In which cave?
West side of the map. Bro, this map is huge.
Yeah.
Bro, you see the mountain? So there's like a whole area around it. Like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
That's
I
fucking...
figured.
Jesus Christ.
This is. I mean, also.
That's kind of cool though.
Transportation here, though.
Is there?
There's,
Like eagles? I mean, seagulls? Like we gotta collect like 50 of them so they can fly us?
Exactly. How did you guess?
Intuition.
Alright, you know what I'm thinking? Let's start building like a wall, like Trump, and we like make a safe space.
Oh, I like that. Yeah, let's build a wall. But you wanna build it out of wood or rocks? Wait, can we even get the rocks?
For now.
Yeah, I don't think we can do.
Because rocks, yeah, we like. It's gonna take longer, I think.
Oh, it gives me. It reminds me of Madagascar.
Yeah. So, and I'm thinking we can build like these lookout towers on each corner. You know.
Tower? Oh, build a tower?
Where exactly we're gonna put our home? Here or on that side?
Wow, bro, this is a big space. I feel I don't.
I know.
This is not Minecraft. This is gonna take forever.
Yeah.
um,
Oh, it'd be cool like by the river, you know.
yeah, I'm down to do it by the river. I don't think we should build it around the beach. I mean, we
No,
do.
not around, just like a box, like a.
Yeah, box. Okay, cool.
Yeah, box. That's yeah. Fuck that.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's build by the river, by the rock that you were standing. You were standing by.
Yeah. Just so you think for the first one like this. Okay, never mind. I'll just. Da, 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 da. Nice. Damn,
Oh, perfect.
that's some thick wood.
Whoa,
we
that's
gotta
so.
take-
That's a wall. The tower that you showed me.
Yeah. How long do you think it's like this big? Do you see where I'm putting it?
Yeah.
Actually, let's just start from there.
What is that? Is it like a trampoline? Whoa! Oh, okay, never mind. I thought it was a trampoline. Oh, we can tell Kevin to get more wood.
Yeah, I'll tell him. Get wood, Kevin. Oh fuck, no. Tell him to follow me.
Damn! Bro, that shit is expensive.
Yeah, and we need 3 more of them. I don't know, fuck it. Let's just have like 2, and then put a wall between them.
Yeah, fuck it, we'll just build.
Yeah.
I guess this game is all about the journey, not the destination.
Yeah, but it's gonna take us fucking while.
Yeah, you wanna... I mean, we could just build like a small house or something. And then we can continue our expedition to caves and stuff.
That's true. So fuck the lookout side.
Yeah, I look you wanna build for a bit, you know?
Yeah.
Cool. You're down? Okay.
Yeah, I'm down.
They see me rolling. They hating.
Oh, trying to catch me dirty.
Trying to catch me riding dirty.
Riding dirty.
Gotta catch me running dirty. Gotta catch me running dirty. My music's so loud. I'm swagging.
Do it again. I'm gonna go Sass Criminal.
Do it again. Yeah, that's actually fire. Where's the... Oh my god. Yeah? Yeah, we got... She's running away. Whoa. Damn. She's kind of thick, not gonna lie. Yo, yo, she got big thighs. She got big thighs, bro. Hell yeah, the fuck? Oh shit, I'm hungry. I'm hungry, no, I'm gonna pass out. Okay. She brought me to... Oh, she's showing the... She's like showing us the creatures. Yeah, they're like on the lake eating right now, or drinking, whatever. No, I'm eating right now. Alright, let's see. Should I kill it? Wait, where's the legged woman? I think it should laugh me. Come back. Maybe if we kill them, she gives a prize. Ah, fuck it. I'm sorry. Whoa! I died. Do you know the way? Oh shit. Do you know the way? Ow, that hurt my ears. I'm in the water for some reason. I think I'm back on the beach. Oh, you did? Oh fuck! I have a gun. I should have shot them. Yeah, honestly, that's the best way to do it is from afar. Actually, that's a good idea. Maybe we just build a bow. You're a smart man. I don't know why my Discord is not working now. It's fucking annoying. Oh, there's a log going down the hill. Oh, that's what you want to play? I mean, you can play it. You can play it for yourself. I don't have to hear it. Oh, fair enough. And I catch a grenade for you. Look at this one space sticking out in this building. I don't know how I put it there, but I don't know how it worked. Oh, you broke it. Wait, I think we finished it. Yeah. What? How do we get in? Whoa! Oh, I'm inside. Wait, I cannot climb it though. Oh, there you go. Why are you roasting me? Whoa, you got a bow? Yo. Wait, I want to grab that shit. The fuck? Stone crafted bow. Okay. Okay, one rope, 2 sticks. Oh, fuck. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and then a rope. Damn, that's pretty cool. Okay, stone arrow. Alright, let's do... Is it too big? What is this? Oh yeah, that's the one we need. Alright. Awesome. Crafted club. Whoa. Wait. Oh, no way. Let me try this shit. Yeah, let me try. I want to try it. I'm building with the skull. Oh, craft all weapons. MC Crafty. Whoa. Yo, it's low-key better than an axe for some reason. Poison stone arrow. Holy shit! You can do poison stone after like building everything. After like, yeah, and then fire stone arrow. You can do fire. Wait, I want to do poison. Okay. Do I have berries? I don't think I have those poisonous berries. Okay, that's why you need those poisonous berries. Okay, I think I don't have anything else, so we'll just have to wait it out. That's pretty cool. Look, you like my weapon? Wait, what are you building now? Oh, you're building a wall? Yeah, I think it's a... Ah, fuck. Oh. Yeah. I'm just disappointed. I missed the bird. I was trying to kill it. Wait, I'm gonna get some snacks. I'll be right back. Actually, I have AirPods, so I can talk to you still. Oh, fuck.